So I have a little problem with the dash trim piece that I replaced in the Tesla. This is a 2024 Tesla Model 3. And what I'm talking about is the piece that goes right across the front here to hide all of this stuff that you can see. It's simply friction pushes, I guess, into these little brackets you can see down here, right? Just pops right up. You can do it by hand or with a pry tool. I do find they're a little difficult in the center, but it does pop up. Now, what the problem is I bought this carbon fiber piece from a company called evbase, and it has bubbled. You can see all of the bubbles in this piece, right? All the way down, there are bubbles. More severe here on the driver's side, I think it is. So I've contacted the company to see what they're going to do about it. Either a refund or a new piece. I like the piece. I like the way that it looks. However, if it isn't replaced or I'm not refunded, I'm not going to be happy about it. So we'll see. This is kind of ongoing. So far, they've been very responsive, very helpful. They asked for pictures of the unit outside of the car. I'm not sure exactly why, front and back. Maybe to verify that it's their piece. I understand that. In today's world, everybody's trying to bamboozle somebody out of money, right? But I assure you, it is their piece. I have the invoice and the order number and all of that stuff. So we'll see what happens. I just kind of wanted to report to you guys, let you know what this looks like. I'm hoping they do the right thing and either send me a new piece or refund my money. Honestly, they should give me the option. This piece is not cheap. It's over 300 bucks. Stay tuned. I'll let you know what the result is once it's finished.